Good evening, student. The last class I took in Himalayas and Northern Great Plains. Now I am going to take the topic of Peninsula Plateaus. So first one is I telling some introduction for you. First is the Northern Great Himalayas. This is a Northern Great Himalayas. Second one is located Northern Great Plain in south. Is located in the south Northern Great Plains. After that, now I am going to take the Peninsula Plateaus. Peninsula Plateaus. The Peninsula Plateaus. It is called a Peninsula Plateaus. The Peninsula Plateaus can be divided into two parts. One is here, the divided in Narmada rivers. This is called a Narmada rivers. Narmada rivers divided into two parts in Peninsula Plateaus. One is the northern part is called a Central Highland. Southern part is called a Deccan Plateaus. And some of the plateaus also found in these regions. In this Malwa Plateaus in the west side, this is called a Malwa Plateaus. Chota Nagpur Plateaus in the east side. So the total areas called the Peninsula Plateaus. One is here Malwa Plateaus, another one is here Chota Nagpur Plateaus. Is a Malwa. The eastern side Chota Nagpur Plateaus and the southern part is a Deccan Plateaus and some other part of this plateaus. One is Bundelkhand, another one is Balkan. So these are located in the Peninsula Plateaus. So the Peninsula Plateaus, the shape of triangle shape. Some of the ranges also found in these regions. So don't forget. So it is called a Peninsula Plateaus. The total areas Peninsula Plateaus. This one is a Deccan Plateaus. Chota Nagpur Plateaus, Deccan, Malwa, Bundelkhand and Pahalkand. Pahalkand, Malwa Plateaus. So surrounding by some of the ranges also found. One is the Aravalli ranges in the west of the Peninsula Plateaus and the Rajmahal Hills in the east side. And Eastern Ghats is located in the east side. Western Ghats is located in west side. So only is plateaus. The plateaus surrounded by some ranges. The important ranges for the Aravalli ranges, Rajmahal Hills, Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats. Some of the ranges are bounded. Now I am going to explain this. One Asia largest. So Peninsula Plateaus is the largest physiographic divisions. Another one is the Peninsula Plateaus. So the total areas Peninsula Plateaus. The Peninsula Plateaus is located in the south of the Northern Great Plains. So Northern Mountains, Northern Great Plains. The total areas Northern Great Plains. So located in the south. So north and south of the Northern Great Plains is a physiographic divisions of our country. Is the physiographic divisions of our country, and they mainly for the largest divisions of the country. The total areas covered. So the Peninsula Plateaus, triangle shape. The total areas are covered 16 lakh square kilometers. So 16 lakh square kilometer and old rocky plateau regions. The old Rocky means the Aravallis, the relation between the Aravalli, the oldest cold mountains regions. The topographies consist of this, the series of the plateaus and hills ranges intersect in the river valley. So the plateaus, this is called a plateaus and hills. So in the plateaus, the top side of the plateaus, that is called a plateau regions. This is a hills. So some part of the valley, river valley, that means the two mountains. This part is called a valley. This is called a valley. So Aravalli ranges. So I told Aravalli ranges, northern and northeastern boundaries are marked by the Bandalgarh, Kaimur and Rajmahal hills. So the Aravalli ranges, for example, one more time I tell you. Peninsula plateaus. So Aravalli ranges in the north side, and the northeastern boundaries are marked by the Bandalgarh, Rajmahal hills. This is the Rajmahal hills, Bandalgarh, like that. So the western Ghats and western sides, eastern Ghats, eastern sides, western Ghats, eastern sides. The altitude of the ranges, the large portions of the plateaus more than 600 meters. The altitude means that the height, the mountain's height, the plateau's height is the more than 600 meter means of the sea levels. So all the height mentioned in the basic of the sea levels. So Mount Everest 8,848 meters. They are considered by the means of the sea levels. After that, the Aanemudi is height of 2,695 meters and is located in the Aanaimalai. So Aanaimalai. So yes, mentioned the Aanaimalai. The Aanaimalai is highest peak in the Aanemudi, the highest peak in the Aanaimalai. The general slope, most of the slopes of in the eastern sides. So most of the rivers originated in the Western Ghats and reach in the Bay of Bengal. So only two rivers, Narmada and Tapti, the originated in the southeast side and flow into the Arabian Sea. So the Aanaimalai general slope of the east, the Great Plains is the part of the Gondwana. So the Peninsula plateaus, mainly the part of the Gondwana landforms due to the old age. So Aravalli ranges like that, Aravalli ranges. The rivers in these regions attained the base levels of developed broad and the shallow valleys. So Aravalli ranges. So some of the general slope of the plateaus towards the east, the great branches of the Gondwana, very ancient one, the land masses due to the old age. So after that, the Narmada rivers. So the Narmada rivers can be divided